Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a composite item in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful when you sell bundled products or kits made up of multiple individual items, allowing you to manage them efficiently as a single unit while still tracking each component separately. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all the inventory management features. Now look over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Items tab. This section houses all your product-related information and configurations. Within the Items module, you'll see several options appear. Click on Composite Items to access the area where you can create and manage bundled products. Once you're in the Composite Items section, locate the plus new button at the top right corner of the page and click it. This will open up a form where you can define all the details of your new composite item. Start by entering the name of your composite item in the designated field. This should clearly describe what the bundle or kit contains so it's easily identifiable in your inventory. Next, if you want to keep things organized, you can optionally enter a SKU number and upload an image that represents your composite item. You'll also need to choose between two item types, assembly item or kit item, depending on how you want to manage the inventory. Finally, add the unit type that best describes how this item is measured or sold. Now comes the crucial part. Under the Associate Items section, you'll add all the individual items or services that make up this composite item. Select each component from your existing inventory list and specify the quantity of each item needed to create one unit of the composite item. This ensures accurate inventory tracking when you sell the bundle. After associating all the components, enter the selling price and cost price for the composite item. These values help you maintain profitability and accurate financial records. If your composite item requires additional tracking, you can optionally enable track serial numbers or track batches depending on your business needs. Before finalizing, select the appropriate inventory account and choose your preferred inventory method from the drop-down options. This ensures your accounting remains accurate and aligned with your business processes. Finally, click the Save button to create your composite item. Your bundled product is now ready to be used in sales orders and invoices, making it much easier to manage complex product offerings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.